In the quiet village of Eldermere, nestled between rolling hills and an endless sea of wildflowers, there was an old legend about the power of a kiss beneath the full moon. It was said that those who shared a kiss in the moon's silver glow would be bound together by fate, their hearts forever entwined by the universe itself. Some dismissed it as folklore, a story passed down through generations. But for Elara and Tristan, it was a whisper of hope in a world filled with uncertainty. Elara was the daughter of the village healer, a woman whose hands wove miracles with herbs and potions. She had grown up learning the ways of nature, understanding the silent language of leaves and the delicate magic of the earth. But her heart longed for something beyond the confines of Eldermere. She dreamed of adventure, of seeing the world beyond the hills, but duty kept her grounded. Tristan, on the other hand, was a wanderer. He had arrived in Eldermere as a stranger, his past a mystery to those who met him. With dark eyes that held the weight of unspoken stories and a smile that carried both sorrow and warmth, he was a man caught between the shadows of his past and the promise of a future he had yet to embrace. He worked as a carpenter, his hands shaping wood with the same precision that Elara's mother used to heal wounds. Their paths crossed one evening in the village square, where lanterns swayed gently in the autumn breeze. Elara had been tending to a wounded bird, her delicate fingers brushing over its trembling feathers, when Tristan approached. "You have a healer's touch," he said, his voice deep and soothing. She looked up, startled by his presence. "And you have a way of appearing out of nowhere," she replied, a hint of amusement in her tone. He chuckled, crouching beside her. Old habit. As the days turned to weeks, they found themselves drawn to each other, their conversation stretching into the night beneath starlit skies. He spoke of distant lands, of mountains that kissed the clouds and oceans that stretched beyond the horizon. She told him of the village's secrets, the myths and magic that pulsed through Eldermere's veins. It was during one of these evenings that the legend of the moonlit kiss found its way into their conversation. "Do you believe in it?" Elara asked, her eyes reflecting the flickering light of the fire. Tristan hesitated before answering. "I want to." As fate would have it, the night of the full moon arrived with a soft hush, the village bathed in ethereal silver light. They found themselves on a hilltop overlooking Eldermere, the world around them suspended in quiet wonder. The moment hung between them, fragile and infinite. Elara placed a gentle hand on his cheek, her heart pounding. Perhaps it's not the legend that matters, but what we choose to believe. Tristan leaned in, their lips meeting in a kiss that felt like the merging of two souls, a silent promise sealed beneath the watchful gaze of the moon. As they pulled away, the wind carried their whispered vow through the night. Whether it was magic or simply the power of love, neither could say. But in that moment, beneath the moon's silver glow, their fate was written in the stars.